The Wagah Border flag lowering ceremony is a daily military ritual that takes place at the Wagah Border between India and Pakistan. This ceremony is known for its display of patriotism, enthusiasm, and military precision. It occurs every evening before sunset and attracts a large audience of spectators from both countries. During the ceremony, the border security personnel from both India and Pakistan perform a synchronized drill that involves lowering their respective national flag. The flags are lowered with great respect and in a choreographed manner. The ceremony also includes various other elements such as marching, foot stamping, and elaborate salute. The atmosphere is charged with patriotic fervor, with spectators cheering and chanting slogans. Nara-e-Takbeer, Allahu Akbar is a slogan that resonates with Pakistani nationalism and religious sentiment. Translated to the chant of greatness, Allah is the greatest. This phrase reflects the unity of the people and their devotion to both their country and their faith. It's often chanted during various national events, gatherings, and rallies as a way to express solidarity, pride, and devotion to Pakistan. Josh and Kharosh are Urdu words that encapsulate the energetic and passionate emotions that people feel during moments of enthusiasm and fervor. These words describe the excitement, zeal, and spiritedness that are often associated with events like the Wagah Border ceremony and other displays of national pride. Wagah Border ceremony, the combination of the synchronized military drill, the roaring crowds, and patriotic slogans creates an atmosphere filled with Josh and Kharosh, reflecting the intense emotions and fervent expressions of the participants and spectators.
Nara-e-Takbeer! 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 Pakistan! 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 Chive, chive! Chive, chive! Chive, chive!
Overall, while the border ceremony and the associated elements like Nara-e-Takbeer, Josh, and Kharosh are emblematic of the passionate patriotism and strong sense of identity that many Pakistanis feel towards their country. The Wagah Border flag lowering ceremony takes place at the Wagah Border, which is located near the city of Lahore in Pakistan. This ceremony occurs daily and is a significant event that showcases patriotism, military discipline, and a sense of national identity. While Wagah is the border crossing point between India and Pakistan, the ceremony itself happens on the Pakistani side of the border near Lahore.
मुआज़्ज़ज़ ख़वातीन व हज़रात, आपसे गुजारिश है कि जैसे ही कौमी परचम उतारा जाए आप इसके एहतराम में खामोश और बाअदब खड़े हो जाएं। अब हम 3 मरतबा पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद का नारा लगाएंगे।
थोड़ा रास्ता दे।
ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह।
As mentioned earlier, the ceremony involves the lowering of the national flags of both India and Pakistan in a synchronized and elaborate manner. It's a symbol of the two countries' complex relationship, and it's accompanied by energetic performances, marches, and chants that inspire a sense of national pride among us. The Wagah Border flag lowering ceremony is not just a formal military event, it's also a cultural spectacle that attracts both local and international visitors. The passionate participation of the crowd, along with the military display, creates an atmosphere of celebration, pride, and unity. If you're planning to attend the Wagah Border ceremony in Lahore, it's recommended to check the exact timings and any potential changes in the schedule, as well as any specific guidelines for spectators, as these details can vary.